How to use the $100 coupon in Temu. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the $100 coupon in Temu. Start by logging in to your Temu account on your device. Once logged in, navigate to your cart by clicking on Go to Cart. Next, choose the product you want to purchase with the $100 coupon. Before proceeding to payment, make sure to enter your shipping address to ensure smooth delivery. Once your shipping details are filled out, click on Continue to Payment. In the payment section, you will see an order summary. This is where you will apply the $100 coupon code. Simply enter the coupon code in the designated field and then proceed to place your order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.